Oh man, out here taking pictures, doing a video of it through night, and came across a snake. Now, what kind of snake is that? It's in the water. Just going to give it its room. It's going to go on its merry little way, and I'm going to go on my merry little way. And it's trying to get up inside of there. Oh man, oh man, oh man. And it disappeared nicely, very nicely into them roots. Can't even hardly see it. I was wondering what was going on. Came out here and just stopped. It's like, okay, got me a stick. If I had to, I was going to whip on it a little bit. But what it was is I was between its home and it. Oh man, oh man, oh man. But anyway, alright guys and gals. Run into a snake, give it its room. You're in its home. It's not in yours. So just walk away peacefully and everything will be alright. Talk to y'all later.